In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Udemy app. So if you're experiencing any challenge with your Udemy courses app, maybe the app is too slow or it can't open, or when it opens, it crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps and methods you can use to troubleshoot this. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page for us to troubleshoot. To do that, go to your settings on your smartphone, and from settings, look for the option called apps. Now from apps, select manage apps or all apps on your Android smartphone, and this will go ahead and list all the apps that are on your smartphone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, as you can see, my app is here. You can also search for your app using the search apps option here. Go ahead and tap now on the app, and you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app. And once you have found your app, just long press on it, and you can see app info option is here. If you tap on it, it will take us to the same app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So you can see we have the option to clear from here. But if I go to storage here, you can see we have a breakdown of data on this app. Of important is this cache data. When we talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that the app normally stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to resolve this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then clear cache and then OK. And restart your smartphone and then open your app to see if the problem has been solved. In most cases, this should solve your problem. However, if you still experience any challenge, then come here again on the app info page, then this time around tap on clear data and go ahead now, choose clear all data and OK. However, should that not solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store and find out if we have any update. So if you are on Android, go to Play Store. However, if you are on iPhone, go to App Store and then search for your app and find out if you have an update. Go ahead and update it to the latest version and then open it to start using the latest version of Udemy app. So at this point, now this should have fixed bugs and any issues related to your app. However, if this still does not work, then go to the final stage, and that is to uninstall the app and then install it afresh. So by following any of these 4 methods, you should be able to troubleshoot or fix any problem with the Udemy app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.